6. Second set. Eagles and Chiefs get entangled in our TV game on Saturday. Let's go to Rina Villamor.
Well, guys, I have to say that it smells like frustration and desperation for the Lady Stags in that last time out. And I'm sure you guys are aware of this saying, no more beating around the bush, because that's what exactly Coach Clint told the girls, that they have to win today's game with a stress on the word now. Now, what went wrong for them in that last set? They were playing too stiff and pressure that they are creating more errors inside, and there's no communication inside the court. Coach Clint wants everyone to step up on this game, not to depend too much on Boli and Ross. Back to you guys.
Okay, that's tough. Not to depend too much on Bali and Rose.
Well, dapat naman talaga.
Dapat,
But you also have to recognize that these two players can really contribute a lot.
They're your main weapons.
Yeah. At pag medyo, ano ba yun, nawawala na, no? Nagdidiskaril ang mga play. I think you should go to these two players.
I would go to Sultanes a little more
Oh,
often
yes.
too.
Oh, then.
Benting. Malyari playing patty cake. Sultanes sends it to the back row. Lestana. Ang ingay na naman ng Ramson. Hinulugan kayo. Hinulugan kayo. Hinulugan kayo.
And Guevara sensing the defense, yung wala sa posisyon na depensa ng San Sebastian, going to that dump ball and successful in getting that point.
It's a game of angles if you think about it. Just open spaces, how to fill them up. You fill them up offensively and you capitalize on the other side as well. Here's Pineda, sends it airborne. Ooh, lakas ng palo ni Benting. Nakuha lang ni Roses. Sultanes will recycle the offense. From the back row we go. Sinapok ni Guevara. Lumipad si Pasok!
Finally, Malyari getting that quick hit, getting that point for San Sebastian. That deserves a second look. Tamang-tama ang connection doon. And especially with only one blocker coming from Adamson. When they, si Malyari took advantage of that.
I think also Clint Malaso was saying that last time, distribute natin sa other sources. Kung nababasa ng malinaw yung dalawa,
yes.
Ano tayo na iba? Wali. And here's one thing, I don't know if you'll agree with me. San Sebastian is one team that does not know how to play when it's behind. It only plays well when it's ahead. Pag behind siya,
nahihirapan humabol.
Humabol. It's not a catch-up kind of team. Daling masilong pagka naunahan eh. Tough set. Benting, one-handed toss. Third try into Rosas' hands. Malyari. Labiano, Buali. Adjust tayo dyan, sabi ni Jen. Benting, pahiga. Hello.
Ang ganda ng floor defense ng Adamson. Kaya naman nakapalo si Pao Soriano. Patience is a virtue. Chinaga ng Adamson.
In volleyball and in life. Boom! Tusok.
Adamson now 4 attack points. San Sebastian having 6. Ang daming errors ng Adamson. 5 na. Ang San Sebastian, 2 pa lamang.
Better set for them, aside from the fact they're in the lead by 3 at this juncture. Oh, hey, Pineda with some power. And Clint Malaso is beyond himself. Alam mo, bihirang mawapwisto si Clint, pero naiinis siya dun sa last play niya.
Kasi for a moment there, mukhang San Sebastian got its groove back. And then, ito na naman.
Na-derail, ano?
Ang Adamson.
Malyari, it ricochets back. And it is, look at this, all of a sudden, 3 straight points by Adamson. When Benting is serving, it's always good for Adamson, actually.
And going back to what you said about San Sebastian, yung nahihirapan pag malaki ang lamang. Ang mahirap kasi, hindi sila makarecover kaagad sa man-error.
Good point. That's even better.
Pag nagka-error sila, minsan magkasunod na 2, 3. So, kaya palaki ng palaki. And then, nagiging, sila, conscious dun sa mga errors.
Parang,
lalo tuloy nag-error.
Hindi makalimutan yung error. Lumusot sa block. Soriano going to business now.
So, suddenly, Adamson tying up the set, the third set.
and threatening to make this a shorter game. They took the first 2 sets, as you can see on your scoreboard, left of your picture. Faulty reception, really. Power unleashed by Wally. Lamang pa rin ng San Sebastian, though, 12-11.
That's right. And Zhengbo Li, kailangan na talaga umatake at this point.
Axel is the official outfit of the Shakey's V. Lee.
Pineda having 11 attack points. Soriano with 6.
Bulk of the offense, and that's too long. Baste obtains a 2-point lead.
Although itong si Pineda, medyo a number of na attacks na natapon, ano? In this game.
Especially in the early part. Kaya lumamang yung Baste.
I think that's 5th na nga yan. 5th fault.
Trish Crisostomo is out of reach and out of sorts. That's the best place to attack. Ano? Yung server, she's not expecting it. Although you have to be ready at that spot. It's 13-12 now. It's 12-13 as Adamson will serve Sharon Meneses, blocking Makatunos. Path. Long tabla tayo.
Yan na naman. Error na naman on the attack. Ang bilis na kahabol ng Lady Falcons.
Because they played defense. And now it's Clint Malazo is going to go with somebody he hasn't used so far because he's looking for a spark plug, actually. Ooh, mintis by Sheila Pineda.
Miss hit. Trying to go for a cut shot. Well, alam mo, partner, si Zhengbo Li now 15 attack points so far. Pero 46 attempts na. Nakaka-46 attempts na si Zhengbo Li. Ito namang si Malyari, 10 attempts, isa pa lang ang Lancer score. 1 attack.
Disparity, ano? In the meantime, 14 apiece. We're crawling along here in the third. This is the way that first set was played. That's just on the net. Labiano whips it down in the air.
Uno just there to dig it up.
Now, who's better defense might spell the difference.
Alam mo, nagiging factor talaga sa Adamson, yung na-surprise tayo, yung blocking nila in this game.
They have a
Naging
couple.
malaki.
Yeah, look at this. This is the point you were making.
Lalo na kay Jeng.
I
Ang dami
agree.
na nilang na-block na palo ni Jeng.
Process. Ooh. We're now going to take a break. It's 16-14 and San Sebastian now falling behind.